I rewired some parts of the electric, so I took off the switch where you also have to take off the brake lever to get it out, and then I rerouted the cable so that it goes down here under the handlebar, and then in my case now it goes between the throttle and the brake from the front and the clutch lever. So it has enough room, and I pulled it back down here so that I can put these two connectors into the hole, and I secured it with a zip tie around the main hose for the main wiring harness. The same, this one, there the wiring was already good, and on this side there was nothing blocking, so I just pulled it back a little bit to make it shorter and also to have it at this hole and not up here somewhere. Then depending on what you use, so on my bike it is an LED high output, they put it there, so I don't know if that is stock Kayo or not. So this plug, the original plug, was not any waterproof or anything, so I used the electric tape to make it more waterproof, and then I connected this one and wrapped it around so that there's also secure. And in the end I opened this rubber thing, reorganized everything inside, sealed it up, the connection. There's another plug inside that is not waterproof, so I made that one also with electrical tape, and then I closed it on both sides with zip ties down there as well, and then I made one zip tie around so that it sits now in the middle of the front and is not buzzering here on the side anymore and annoying. And now I will put the front mask back, which is attached to screws here, which are longer holes so you can adjust it, and then the two screws down here. This is also a good moment to fasten this screw and to check the screw down here that everything is well and secured.